In this video, we will learn how to change currency format in Google Sheet. So I select here the one column, amount column, and I apply here the currency format. So here you can see the dollar sign, the format as a currency. Just click on it and I apply here the currency format dollar. So now I am going to change this currency format. So I select here the different column, cost, then go to the format tab and click on the number option. In number, just click on the custom currency option. The custom currencies dialog box is open. Select here your currency. So I select here one currency. Okay. So I select here this one, British pound. Okay. You can see here the changes on and just click on the apply. Okay. So this is a way you can change the currency in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.